Daily life and routines. What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. Do you eat breakfast every day? Yes, I always have breakfast. It's important to me. What's your typical morning routine? I shower, get dressed, then have coffee and toast. How do you commute to work? I take the bus to work. It takes about 30 minutes. What time do you start work? I start work at 9 a.m. Do you take a lunch break? Yes, I usually take a break at noon for about an hour. What do you typically do during your lunch break? I often eat a sandwich and go for a short walk. What time do you finish work? I finish work at 5 p.m. What do you usually do after work? I like to go to the gym or meet friends for dinner. Do you cook dinner at home? Sometimes, but I also enjoy eating out occasionally. What time do you usually go to bed? I usually go to bed around 11 p.m. How do you relax after a long day? I like to take a warm bath and listen to calming music. Do you meditate or practice mindfulness? Yes, I meditate for 10 minutes every morning. Leisure and hobbies. Do you have any hobbies? Yes, I enjoy playing guitar and hiking on weekends. How often do you play guitar? I try to practice for at least an hour every day. Where do you usually go hiking? There are some great trails in the nearby mountains. Do you prefer indoor or outdoor activities? I enjoy both, but I especially love being outdoors. What's your favorite outdoor activity? I really enjoy kayaking on the lake. How often do you go kayaking? I try to go at least once a month during summer. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play tennis and sometimes basketball. How often do you play tennis? I play tennis twice a week with friends. Do you watch sports on TV? I enjoy watching football and tennis matches. Do you have any creative hobbies? Yes, I enjoy painting and sometimes writing short stories. How long have you been painting? I've been painting as a hobby for about 5 years now. What kind of stories do you write? I mostly write science fiction and fantasy stories. Do you read a lot? Yes, I try to read at least one book every week. What's your favorite genre of books? I love mystery novels and historical fiction. Do you prefer ebooks or physical books? I prefer physical books, but ebooks are convenient for travel. Do you collect anything as a hobby? Yes, I collect vintage postcards from different countries. How long have you been collecting postcards? I've been collecting them for about 8 years now. Do you enjoy cooking? Yes, I love trying new recipes on weekends. What's your favorite cuisine to cook? I really enjoy cooking Italian and Thai dishes. Do you garden? Yes, I have a small vegetable garden in my backyard. What do you grow in your garden? I grow tomatoes, herbs, and some flowers. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers. How do you spend time with your pet? I play with Whiskers and brush her fur every morning. Do you play any musical instruments? Yes, I play the piano and I'm learning the ukulele. How long have you been playing piano? I've been playing piano for about 12 years now. What's your favorite season for outdoor activities? I love autumn for hiking and enjoying the colorful leaves. Do you have any winter hobbies? Yes, I enjoy skiing and ice skating in the winter. How do you stay active during bad weather? I have a home gym and follow workout videos online. Do you enjoy puzzles or brain teasers? Yes, I love crossword puzzles and Sudoku. How often do you do puzzles? I try to do a puzzle every day to keep my mind sharp. Social and cultural activities. What do you like to do on weekends? I often catch up with friends or explore new places. What's your favorite way to spend a day off? I enjoy having a picnic in the park with friends. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love exploring new places and cultures. How often do you travel? I try to take at least one big trip each year. What's your dream vacation destination? I'd love to visit Japan and experience its unique culture. Do you like to go to the movies? Yes, I try to watch new releases in the theater. How often do you go to the cinema? I go to the cinema about once or twice a month. What's your favorite type of movie? I enjoy sci-fi movies and thought-provoking dramas. Do you like to attend live events? Yes, I enjoy going to concerts and theater performances. What was the last concert you attended? I saw a jazz band perform last month. It was amazing. Do you take any classes or lessons for your hobbies? Yes, I take a weekly painting class at the community center. Do you like to try new hobbies? Yes, I'm always open to learning new things. What's a new hobby you'd like to try? I'd love to learn photography and improve my skills. Do you have any favorite podcasts? Yes, I listen to podcasts about history and science. When do you usually listen to podcasts? I listen to podcasts during my commute and while exercising. Do you have any social hobbies? Yes, I'm a part of a book club that meets weekly. What do you enjoy most about your book club? I love discussing different perspectives on the books we read. Do you volunteer for any organizations? Yes, I volunteer at an animal shelter twice a month. What do you do at the animal shelter? I help walk dogs and socialize with cats waiting for adoption. How do you balance your hobbies with work and daily responsibilities? I schedule specific times for my hobbies to ensure I make time for them.